Hi there, I'm Mrs. English. Today we'll practice 200 sentences together to help you speak with confidence. Listen, repeat, and remember, you can pause anytime. If you find this lesson helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to join our classroom. And don't forget to share this with a friend who is also learning. Ready? Let's begin. This is a sidewalk. The sidewalk is outside. People walk on the sidewalk. I walk on the sidewalk. The sidewalk is gray. It is very long. The sidewalk is near the street. Cars drive on the street. We walk on the sidewalk. The sidewalk is safe. Do you see the sidewalk? Yes, I see it. The sidewalk is clean today. She walks on the sidewalk. He walks there too. The sidewalk goes to the store. I walk to school. The sidewalk helps me walk. Is the sidewalk dirty? No, it is not dirty. The sidewalk has lines on it. These lines are cracks. Some cracks are big. Some cracks are small. Be careful with the cracks. I walk around the cracks. Children play near the sidewalk. They run on the sidewalk. The sidewalk is in the city. Every street has a sidewalk. Do you walk every day? Yes, I walk every day. The sidewalk takes me home. My house is near here. I see people on the sidewalk. They walk to work. She walks her dog here. The dog is on the sidewalk. The dog is small and white. It walks next to her. Do you have a dog? I don't have a dog. But I see dogs here. Many dogs walk on sidewalks. The sidewalk is for everyone. Old people walk here too. Young people walk very fast. Some people walk slowly. I like walking on the sidewalk. It is better than the street. Trees grow near the sidewalk. The trees give us shade. I sit under the tree sometimes. There is a bench on the sidewalk. The bench is made of wood. People sit on the bench and rest. I am sitting on the bench now. An old man sits next to me. We are talking about the weather. The weather is nice today. The sun is shining on the sidewalk. The sidewalk feels warm under my feet. I am wearing shoes on the sidewalk. You should always wear shoes outside. The sidewalk can be hot in summer. In winter, the sidewalk is cold. Sometimes there is snow on it. The snow covers the whole sidewalk. People clean the snow away. They use a shovel to clean it. Is the sidewalk slippery when wet? Yes, it can be very slippery. You must walk carefully in the rain. I walked on a wet sidewalk yesterday. I did not fall down. But my friend fell on the sidewalk. She was not hurt badly. She stood up and walked again. We should be more careful always. The sidewalk has many different parts. There are squares of concrete everywhere. Each square is connected to another. Workers built this sidewalk many years ago. They worked hard to make it flat. Now we can walk easily here. I am grateful for this sidewalk. What would we do without sidewalks? We would have to walk on grass. Or we would walk on the street. That would be very dangerous for us. I see a child riding a bike. The child is on the sidewalk now. His bike is red and shiny. He is riding very fast today. His mother is walking behind him. She tells him to slow down. He listens to his mother well. Now he is riding more slowly. Bikes and people share the sidewalk. We must all be respectful to each other. A woman is pushing a stroller on the sidewalk. There is a baby in the stroller today. The baby is sleeping peacefully right now. The woman walks slowly and carefully with the stroller. She does not want to wake the baby. The sidewalk is wide enough for the stroller. Other people walk around her without any problem. I smile at the woman as I pass. She smiles back at me very kindly. Everyone on the sidewalk seems happy today. There is a store at the corner. The sidewalk goes right past the store entrance. Many people stop to look at the windows. I am going to go into that store. I will buy some bread for my family. First, I walk along the sidewalk to the door. Then I open the door and go inside. After shopping, I will walk home on the sidewalk. The sidewalk makes shopping very easy for everyone. I don't need a car to go shopping. Look at that man sweeping the sidewalk now. He works for the city cleaning department every day. He sweeps away all the leaves and trash. The broom he uses is very old but works. He does this job 5 days every single week. The sidewalk looks much cleaner after he finishes working. I say thank you to him as I walk. He is happy that someone noticed his hard work. We should appreciate people who clean our sidewalks. They help keep our neighborhood looking nice and beautiful. A bird is walking on the sidewalk right now. It is looking for food on the ground below. Maybe someone dropped some bread crumbs here earlier today. The bird finds a small piece of something to eat. It picks up the food with its small beak. Then it flies away to a tree nearby quickly. Many birds come to the sidewalk to find food. I like watching birds when I walk to work. Nature and the city share the sidewalk space together. It makes me happy to see animals here too. There are lines painted on some parts of the sidewalk. These yellow lines help blind people find their way safely. Blind people use special canes to feel the lines. The lines lead them to safe places to cross. This is a very important feature of modern sidewalks. Not all sidewalks have these helpful lines yet today. I hope more sidewalks will have them in the future. Everyone should be able to use sidewalks without problems. The sidewalk is for all types of people equally. Good sidewalks make our cities better places to live. I am meeting my friend on the sidewalk this afternoon. We are going to walk to the park together. The park is only 10 minutes away from here. We will talk and laugh as we walk along. The sidewalk connects my house to the park entrance. Without this sidewalk, the walk would be much harder. My friend is always on time for our meetings together. I can see her walking toward me right now. She is waving her hand at me from far away. I wave back and start walking toward her too. Yesterday, it rained very hard in the afternoon here. The sidewalk was covered with big puddles of water. I had to jump over many puddles on my way. My shoes got a little bit wet from the water, but I made it home without getting too wet. Today the sun dried all the water from the sidewalk. Now the sidewalk is completely dry and easy to use. I prefer walking on a dry sidewalk much more always. Rainy days can make sidewalks difficult to walk on safely, but we need rain to help our plants grow well. There is a crack in the sidewalk near my house. This crack has been there for 2 whole years now. The city will repair it next month with new concrete. Workers will come and fix all the broken parts carefully. They will make the sidewalk smooth and safe again soon. I am looking forward to having a better sidewalk here. Good sidewalks are important for our community and safety. I will thank the workers when they finish the job. Everyone in my neighborhood will be happy about the repairs. Taking care of sidewalks is important for all of us. When I was a child, I played on sidewalks. My friends and I drew pictures with colorful chalk. We drew flowers, houses, and many other fun things. The rain washed away our pictures every single time. But we did not mind at all back then. We just drew new pictures the next sunny day. Those are very happy memories from my childhood years. Now I see other children drawing on sidewalks too. It makes me smile when I see their colorful art. Sidewalks are not just for walking to different places. They are also places where communities come together and connect. I will continue to use the sidewalk every single day. I will walk to work, to stores, and to visit friends. The sidewalk is an important part of my daily life. I hope all cities have good sidewalks for their people. Everyone deserves a safe place to walk outside their homes. Let us take care of our sidewalks and keep them clean. Let us share them with respect and kindness toward others. The sidewalk is more than concrete. It connects us together. Thank you for learning about sidewalks with me today here. Great job, you finished today's lesson. You practiced 200 sentences. I am very proud of you. Please write your favorite sentence in the comments below. I want to read them. Subscribe to this channel for more English lessons every day. See you in the next video. Keep practicing. You are doing great. Goodbye.